It's a washout today, a very rainy and gloomy day, and quite chilly out here in Charlotte, actually. We got some fire logs here in the fire here at my place right now, and we're going to zoom in right here. Now we're looking at some rain that's just been persistent moving from the east and moving west across the area. Heaviest rain right now across Derrida, however you pronounce that, and across the International Airport right here, which is what this TCLT stands for. That's the Terminal Doppler Radar system that the airplanes use to avoid wind shear. This stands for Terminal Charlotte, TWDR, Terminal Doppler Weather Radar. I can show you more about that later if you're interested. That's an additional radar that we have that's also in addition to the National Weather Services, which is what this image is showing here in Greenville, upstate South Carolina. So really just some rain showers that are not ending here. I shouldn't say showers, I should say steady rain that is just not ending anytime soon. And it's already 4:46 p.m. here on the 19th on Saturday. As you can see, most of the heavier stuff is still to the north of Uptown and also across Fort Mill here and Pineville and also Waxhaw and Weddington as this right here, the upstate South Carolina is also getting some of the heavier rains as well. Some heavier, steady rains moving across Lake Wylie here as well. Looking at the infrared enhanced satellite imagery here, we have northeast, or the southeast, I should say. Well, you can tell what I'm used to forecasting for, huh? Right now, the central area of the spin is right here over extreme southeastern Georgia. As you can see this right now on satellite. And here it's 4:47 p.m. and this is right where the center of the circulation of this system is right now. And it looks like it's just kind of sitting here right now, spinning its wheels, maybe ever so slowly tracking to the east right now, but it's in no hurry to do so. This gray area on the clouds is a lot of lower cloud tops, and it looks like the heavier precipitation is over North Carolina right now, as these are the higher cloud tops. This is the deeper convection. This is where the heavier precip is, and these brighter cloud tops right now. So it looks like it's not going anywhere anytime soon, and it's going to hang on here through the night tonight. Let's take a look at the current observations across the region right now. And as we are looking at the latest temperatures, let's zoom in on this right now and the latest conditions. And there we go. We're zoomed in. We're looking at 52 degrees in Charlotte right now with moderate rain, and our forecasted high temperature today was actually 50. It was a tough call because these systems are very dynamic, and especially when they have a lot of cloud cover associated with them. Usually the temperature doesn't vary that much, so we were off by 2 degrees, and moist out here as well as the dew point is at 50 degrees. 54 degrees in Greenville, 51 in Asheville. We have 51 at the state capitol in Raleigh and 58 right there in Greensboro. 51 down at the beach in Wilmington, 59 in Myrtle Beach, and 61 right now in Charleston. And in Columbia, South Carolina state capitol, we're looking at 57 degrees and some light rain right now. The light rain has lightened up and has stopped across coastal Carolina right now, minus Cape Hatteras, but looks like this don't plan on being totally dry here through the rest of the evening at all. Let's take a look at the model forecast and see what we can expect throughout the rest of this weekend. Okay, so there is some good news for us who don't like this cold, damp rain, as such as people as myself. I know it's good for the lawns and it's good to keep the droughts away and the fire danger low. We were actually having some fire danger here over the past week or so, but I don't see how that's an issue now. And it looks like this disturbance is bowling ball, which is what I call these things, are just lingering over the East Coast through 8 o'clock this evening, the southeast through 8 o'clock this evening, and then that system slowly makes its way offshore. Still raining across our area at 2 o'clock in the morning tonight. So over on this panel over here is precipitation, heavier stuff over Raleigh as we head into the night tonight. So we're not out of the woods yet as far as this storm system is concerned. But then good news, tomorrow morning after sunrise, looks like the rain stops. Although we're going to have some clouds lingering around here. This is at 15,000 or 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. This is 5,000 feet in the atmosphere. Some low and high clouds, so thick clouds still left over tomorrow morning. But at least the rain stops by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then that system moves on away. And some lingering clouds throughout the day on Sunday. So at least the rain stops, but then the clouds start to maybe become less thick, and there could be some peaks of sunshine here as we get into the later on the day, Sunday towards sunset. Might start seeing the clouds break up a little bit there, and then looking like Monday here goes back to being sunny, especially in the morning, which is good. It'll make it nice and easy for you to get up and go to work there on Monday morning, since it won't be cold, damp, and rainy. That system moves on out of here for Monday. So looks like we dry out there for Tuesday, but then here comes a cold front, and this is a situation to watch right here. It could be a severe outbreak in the plains as we head into the day on Tuesday here. Monday night into Tuesday, looks like there's a cold front that moves through the plains, brings some possible severe weather here, and then the cold front moves through our area here on late Tuesday afternoon and even into rush hour Tuesday evening and afterwards. So we're going to get wet here once again between 5 and 8 p.m. on Tuesday evening as a cold front moves through and brings another shot of cold air, unfortunately. So prepare for that Tuesday evening. That's all I have for you right now. Stay dry out there, stay warm, and enjoy the end of the rain, which is going to come on Sunday, and have a great Monday. Happy Easter, everybody, and enjoy it.